If you've ever wondered what one of these torches look like inside, well, I'm going to open this and have a look. This is one of these 1 million candle things. It's a fairly good torch. It's only lasted a year or so. So I'm just going to do these screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws. I'll show you what it looks like inside. I've undone all of them, just these 2 here, let's just put back in. So anyway, just so it would open quickly. As you can see, look. That's what it looks like inside. That will come off. So that's how it normally sits, as you can see. There's the switch, spring-loaded switch. There. Now it's just a simple battery, so it could actually replace the battery. So I'll just take the positive off first. Come off, that's it, and then the negative. A little bit of rusting going on there. So you can see that's all it was. Just a simple battery. That's why it was heavy. And there's all the rest of the gadgetry, the wires and the control and everything. Little LED light there. And the glass front comes off. The bulb is one of these push-in ones. It's quite tight in, is that? I'm not going to probably end up busting in my bloody finger. Anyway, I'm going to throw this torch anyway. Battery's knackered and I've got other torches. So thank you for watching. I hope you found that quite interesting, the internals of one of these. Click like if you did, subscribe, share, and look out for my next video. Have a good day. Thanks, bye.